Hey guys! Okay, so I was thinking and wondering what to do for this week's video. I just couldn't think of anything at all. So finally, I just decided to show you some videos that I found on my camera roll that I have a fun time watching and looking at and stuff. And making fun of myself or making fun of myself and my friends. There's some Snapchat videos on here with the filters, and there's just some random videos. So, hope you enjoy it. And please give this video a thumbs up and a comment and like it. And yeah, okay, bye.
I'm Batman. I did my makeup.
I sure did. Naya, stop yelling. Tell her not to bite me. Don't bite her.
What is happening right now?
Don't bite me.
He's just a little mad, just a little bad.
Hey, we're shoes.
I'm a single ladies, I'm a single ladies, I'm a single ladies. Now put your hands up. How's that, Harry?
I want to talk to you too. What? Not again.
Snap back to reality. Oh. Ow!